Hello. How are you today? Welcome back to our channel. And do not forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell, okay? Thank you, we really appreciate that. In this video, we will talk about the general hazards and control measures related to excavation. So, let's start. Excavation work is a crucial part of any construction project and is used as the foundation of almost every structure, from homes and buildings to roadways and reservoirs. However, it also exposes workers to dangerous hazards. In fact, according to the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, excavation and trenching work poses a higher fatality rate, 112%, than the rate for general construction work. Just keep in mind that excavation activities are one of the common causes of death in the construction industry, which means that excavation should always be a concern for a safety professional. Because of the increased risk of injury or death that excavation workers face, construction companies and contractors must provide adequate protection for workers. If they fail to do so, such negligence may give rise to a personal injury lawsuit. Hazards associated with excavations. Many types of soil, such as clays, are self-supporting, but others such as sands and gravel are not. Many excavations collapse without any warning, resulting in death or serious injury. Many of those accidents occur in shallow workings. It is important to note that, although most of these accidents affect workers, members of the public can also be injured. The most common specific hazards associated with excavations are
cave-ins or collapses, falling loads from above, tripping over equipment or debris, hazardous atmospheres, mobile equipment malfunction, materials falling into the excavation, falls of people and/or vehicles into the excavation, workers being struck by the plant, specialist equipment such as pneumatic drills, hazardous substances, particularly near the site of current or former industrial processes, the influx of ground or surface water and entrapment in silt or mud, the proximity of stored materials, waste materials, or plant, the proximity to adjacent buildings or structures and their stability, contact with underground services, access and egress to the excavation, fumes, lack of oxygen, and other health hazards, such as Weil's disease. Clearly, alongside these specific hazards, more general hazards, such as manual handling, electricity, noise, and vibrations, will also be present.
precautions and controls required for excavations.
The following precautions and controls should be adopted when it comes to protective systems. It is important to know the 3 S's of trenching. Slope, or bench trench walls by cutting them back at an angle inclined away from the excavations. Shore, trench walls by installing supports to prevent soil movement in trenches that are not deeper than 20 feet. Shield, trench walls by using trench boxes or other supports to prevent soil cave-ins. Let's define these 3 concepts. Slope. Actual slope means the slope to which an excavation face is excavated. As you can see in this image, the slope of the excavation should be calculated according to the type of soil. Shore. Shoring is the process of temporarily supporting a building, vessel, structure, or trench with shores, when in danger of collapse or during repairs or alterations. Shoring comes from shore, a timber or metal prop. Shoring may be vertical, angled, or horizontal. There are different types of shoring systems available in the market. Several considerations need to be taken into account when calculating a shoring system. Shield. Regarding shield or shield system, means a structure used in excavation to withstand cave-ins and which will protect employees working within the shield system. Shields can be permanent structures or portable units moved along as work progresses.
We will share more videos explaining properly the protective systems for excavations. Check our channel. Additionally, some general trenching and excavation rules include:
keep heavy equipment away from trench edges. Know where underground utilities are located. Test for low oxygen and toxic gases. Inspect trenches at the start of each shift. Inspect trenches following a rainstorm. Do not work under raised loads.
In order you can ensure the excavation are safe, it's important to ensure your project have an excavation competent person. According to OSHA standards, it's required that trenches be inspected daily, and when the conditions change, by a competent person prior to worker entry to ensure the elimination of excavation hazards. This person must be able to identify prior and existing hazards and take measures to control the conditions. There are 5 things you and your workers should know to stay safe when working around trenches and excavations.
Make sure there is a safe way to enter and exit. Trenches must have cave-in protection. Keep materials away from the edge of the trench. Look for standing water or other hazards. Never enter an unprotected trench unless it has been properly inspected.
General rules that need to be considered when planning an excavation.
Contractor history of performance and experience. Excavating equipment operator experience level. Location of excavation. Number of contractors and subcontractors. Inspection. Soil. Pipe. Equipment. Route. etc. Environmental review. Permits. Spills. Remediation, etc. Types of facilities involved: active, idle, or abandoned. Excavating machine type, size, flat bar versus toothed bucket, operator visibility, etc. Excavation type, pit type, trench type, bore, etc.
We hope this video helps you to understand better the hazards and control measures in excavation. We will upload videos with more specific measures you can implement on your site. You can always find additional information in our website, www.hsebox.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you. See you soon.